Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Celebrity Style Diaries by Twins TV. Let's start with Jenna Ortega. Jenna Ortega has gone from child star to fashion icon in just a few years. Today we'll take a quick look at how her style has evolved, like literally from this to this. Her early red carpet looks to her most recent jaw-dropping fashion moments in 2024. Let's dive into Jenna's transformation year by year. By 2012, Jenna was beginning to gain more recognition with her roles in shows like CSI New York. Her style remained youthful. These early years were all about comfort and fun, reflecting her age and her early career in family-friendly roles. In 2013, Jenna's red carpet looks became slightly more polished. It was clear she was becoming more comfortable in the spotlight and experimenting with fashion while still keeping things youthful. 2014 was a big year for Jenna as she landed her breakthrough role in Jane the Virgin. Her red carpet looks began to mature, featuring more tailored pieces like blazers, dresses with structured silhouettes, and subtle accessories, signaling the start of her style evolution. Jenna continued to make waves in 2015, showing more confidence in her fashion choices. She started embracing bold patterns, statement jackets, and accessories that hinted at a growing sense of style. Her outfits were fun and experimental, but with a touch of sophistication starting to shine through. In 2016, Jenna's style took another leap forward. With roles in shows like Stuck in the Middle, her look began to reflect a more fashion-forward approach. We saw her gravitate towards sleek dresses, bolder makeup, and more polished hairstyles, showing her growth from child star to teen icon. By 2017, Jenna was fully stepping into her own. Her outfits were even more sophisticated, often featuring bold colors, form-fitting silhouettes, and edgy details. She wasn't afraid to experiment with fashion, from red carpet gowns to streetwear, signaling her rising confidence and status in Hollywood. 2018 marked a significant change in Jenna's style as she embraced more daring, edgy looks. With her role in You, she adopted darker, more mature outfits. From leather jackets to sleek dresses, her looks were bolder, reflecting a shift toward a more grown-up, fashion-forward persona. In 2019, Jenna really came into her own as a fashion icon. She embraced a mix of chic, structured pieces with playful elements, blending youthful trends with mature sophistication. Her appearances at fashion events showed that she wasn't just a star on screen, but on the red carpet as well. By 2020, Jenna had cemented herself as a rising star, not just in acting but in fashion too. Her outfits were bolder, with clean lines and more modern aesthetic. Whether on the red carpet or off duty, she displayed a strong sense of style, often incorporating trends with personal and edgy twists. 2021 saw Jenna becoming even more experimental. Her red carpet appearances were full of standout moments, with her embracing fashion-forward outfits, think bold prints, dramatic silhouettes, and edgy accessories. This year solidified her as a rising fashionista who wasn't afraid to take risks. 2022 was the year Jenna truly became a global fashion star, largely due to her breakout role in Wednesday. Her style shifted toward a darker, gothic-inspired aesthetic with a glamorous twist. From high fashion gowns to edgier red carpet looks, she made a bold statement everywhere she went. In 2023, Jenna continued to push boundaries, with her style combining high fashion couture with edgy modern elements. Her red carpet looks were full of drama, from bold makeup to striking gowns, all while maintaining her signature gothic flair. She had fully transformed into a fashion icon. And in 2024, Jenna's style evolution has reached its peak. From her appearances at major fashion events to her edgy everyday looks, she showcased her versatility. Jenna mastered the balance between high fashion elegance and bold, trend-setting choices, proving that she's not just following the trend, she's setting them. Jenna Ortega's fashion evolution has been nothing short of remarkable. And from where she has started and where she is now, one thing for sure, she is a style star we'll be watching in years to come. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.